Good morning, guys. It's Greg. Welcome to Buckeye Freight Rail. I'm up here at House on the Hill, as you can see up there. This is the Norfolk Southern Dayton district I'm on here. And just down there is a CSX line if you're new here. That's a Toledo sub. Down here with Simon's EMD Productions. Check his channel out. We got M510 already, and we got 2 Norfolk Southern trains coming. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get this. All right, got M510 coming up. Cincinnati to Detroit, Michigan. There you go, M510, head to Detroit, Michigan. All right, guys. Hadn't been here 3 minutes and got him. Hope that's a sign of things to come. Let's go for it. All right, folks, got NS278 coming up. Looks like he's got 2 up front. We'll see if he's got 2 in the middle or not. Probably just 1 with 2 up front, but we'll find out. May not have any in the middle. He's booking right along. Give us a little salute there. stop up at 218. We're at 220 here. So if he's over 2 miles long, he might be stopping here. I believe this train runs out of Kansas City to Norfolk, Virginia. Kansas City, Missouri to Norfolk. He's going to clear us. Just had one. He beat you. By the way, these 3 racks here are loaded. He must have picked up those 3 racks somewhere. Yep, putting on the binders now. You hear him squealing? All right, we got another NS train coming west here. It's NS 139. All right, I'll be back when he gets here. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, NS 139 coming down. He's Portsmouth, Ohio to Sharonville, Ohio. And he's coming at you. See if we got a friendly crew here. Nope. '78's up there pulling out now. He had to stop and wait for this guy to cross over. right, that's NS 139. They said the Sharonville yard where he's going is plugged right now. And they're going to stop him at 229. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, we got the local coming up, Cincinnati to Dayton. He has 64 axles, so do not blink or you're going to miss it. There he comes. Right there. All right. There you go. All right. Finally got another CSX coming up. M558. Going to Willard, Ohio. Coming at you. And that's all she wrote. All right, guys, we got an M561 coming down. He's like 460 axles, so I'll be back when he gets here. Thanks for watching. All right, got an M561 coming south here. He is Selkirk, New York to Cincinnati. See if he's got any stinky trash containers on there today. right, folks, there you go. It's going to be a while for anything else comes, so I'm going to call it, and it's getting hot. And I'm going to head for the hills. Home, basically. All right. Thanks for watching.